Since we mentioned that we want to capture the volatile data, let's demonstrate over this video how we're going to do that by using the memdump. So one of the well-known tools within the Cal Linux that comes already installed, or if you want to install sudo apt install memdump. So that would be a very good tool used on capturing the memory. How are we going to do that? We're going to use the same environment as previously shown. So this would be the Cal Linux that would act as digital forensic analyst machine workstation, and then we're going to have the target machine, which is that this MQTT environment is already running. So, and we can see that over the MQTT Explorer. So that would be, so this MQTT Explorer already set up, and the one sensor is already setting data to this MQTT protocol. So, and this would have this IP address, so 192.168.0.123. So that would be what we're going to do. So let's see if we have that kind of communication with this environment, since we are already connected with an SSH. So who am I? That would be showing me the user that I already using on the Ubuntu. So C is there. So Atdhe Buja, that would be my username of that environment. So let's do it this. So we're going to use the memdump tool that can be used this way. So I'm going to ask for permission and then naming the tool that you want to use, memdump. So that would be written well. And what would be the next would be just you want to name the memory file that you want to have that as a raw. So, and whenever I execute now in the target machine, there would be a process running capturing the memory, the volatile data within that environment. And the file would be created, generated, and saved within that environment. So that would be the process happening. Whatever is going on here is happening and is part of the memory generation data, volatile data, since the memory would be capturing that one. So that would be all about generating and capturing this volatile data. And until I stop this, that would just accumulate and collect and capture those volatile data. So as we said, whenever you would step in digital forensics, investigating IoT cases, try to see if there's an opportunity and you would not be breaking something by capturing the volatile data. Release one of those tools, scripts that you just saw, and collect and acquire all those volatile data and keep those for further investigating on that case. So that would be a wise thing to do. And whenever I stop and check it, just check it, and there would be a file created within that environment. So that's it. So the memory dump is here for investigation. It's already, what you will need to do is that copy this towards your environment and having this evidence file that you would be hashing further. So you would maintain the integrity of those digital evidence and then further investigate.